Hello everyone and welcome to another Block Party Trading Daily Analysis. Today we are looking at Mask Network on USDT, perpetual contract on 6-hour time frame on Binance. And this is looking pretty fantastic for a long setup. There are quite a few things that we need to take a look at in order to clarify. The first one up is Block Party's favorite, the untested weekly pivot. As we can see here, starting at 4.322 going all the way up to 4.415. Weekly pivots have a fantastically high hit rate when they are untested, especially in the weekly time frame. Now, the other big one that we have on here, as you have probably seen, which is being signified by this descending wedge pattern, we have just broken out. And if we zoom right in, we can see this really confirmed breakout of this big green candle just here. These patterns are amongst some of my favorite to trade. However, do not just trade them like any other indicator or any other signal on its own. Make sure you have multiple confluences. Other things that we do have playing in our favor is a couple of divergences as it goes. We've got a shorter-term divergence just here, which kicked off between the 8th of May all the way up to the 23rd of May. Sorry, 8th of May to the 12th of May. As you can just see here, the price has diverted from the CVD oscillator down below. And this is also another fantastic sign as it has happened in an oversold territory. Naturally, when things are oversold, they always like to get back to some sort of mean and the price will generally pump from there. But not only that, we also have a much longer term divergence as well, going as far back as the 10th of March all the way to this swing low point on the 12th of May. As you can see here, we've got a higher low than we do down here, which is a very, very strong confirmation. Now, needless to say, we always enter these trades when we get one of our bullish signals, as you can see just here, or a bearish signal if you're in short. And this is powered by our proprietary indicator called Block Party Indicator, and you can find more information on this on blockpartytrading.com. However, there is one word of caution that I would suggest for Mask at the moment, which is watch out for the 200 daily exponential moving average. This is amongst the strongest moving averages for support and resistances. You can simply see just by looking back here historically, where you see price attacking it and is usually getting rejected or vice versa when it goes down and it gets supported. So as we're approaching it in a pretty bearish kind of momentum at the moment, albeit we're breaking out of this descending wedge, you do need to be a little bit careful of it. We have literally just had the retail sales data drop from the US and the price has not been hit too hard. However, the New York market is not open just yet. So if you're watching this before 2:30 p.m. UTC +1, which is what we're at the moment, maybe give it half an hour and just see where the price ends up afterwards. And last but not least, we have one more bullish indicator, which again is amongst one of my favorites, which is a breakout on the CVD trend line. So we can see here, as the CVD goes overbought or oversold, that's usually where we start our trend line. And we'll track it down, and we've seen a significant breakout of this trend line just down here. So for me, this is lining up to be a pretty good signal to enter. Now let's take a look at some of the targets. If we were to enter right now at the price point of 4.031 as of right now, then we'd be looking to target 4.566, and this is only based on our stop loss. Our stop loss is situated just a little bit below our most recent swing low. To me, this looks pretty safe, to be honest, as we have this rising trend line just here, a bullish divergence to confirm it as well as this being a relatively oversold point in the CVD. So for me, that is a pretty safe stop loss. And we're going to go the usual 1-to-1. Now, you can push it further if you want. That's absolutely fine. However, for consistency and conservation of profit, we enjoy going with a 1-to-1 take profit. So good luck with it out there. If you like this content, then please give us a like and subscribe and hit the notification bell to keep up to date on all of our latest video releases. Now, if you absolutely love this content, then head on over to blockpartytrading.com where you can find information about our premium services. If you want any analysis doing at request, then just drop them in the comments below.